Today we're talking about resistance and support. And the first thing is this is a 5 minute time frame, so we are going to change it to something like H1 and on the 1 hour chart. So let's see what can happen here. 1 hour is too small to draw resistance and support. So let's still take it higher. Daily time frame. Okay. Think this is better. So what do we do here? Now let's draw our resistance and support. Let's draw it for the previous day's candle. But first of all, to draw resistance and support, if you want it to be clean, you change the line type. You change the line type to what's it called? From okay, it's not here. Let's go to the chart. Let's touch it. Settings from charts. Okay, so line type says candlestick, so you just change it to line chart. This gives more details. Okay, so you can see now this will be too big. We'll take it back to H1 and zoom in. You can still check for H4. Check for the one that will have more tops that can join together. Okay, so you see this to draw resistance and support here. You can do this. You touch any part of the screen. You touch this thing that looks like square, rectangle, and triangle. So you just touch the horizontal line. So we'll first of all start with support. Support is below, resistance is above. So we can touch here for our support. You see that this was a turning point, so it was broken. And when it was broken, the market started going up. That means here now resistance became support. So this is support. So let's draw resistance. Support is below, resistance is above. So let's follow the same method. You touch again, another line. You touch up. So this is the resistance, the highest point that the market touch. So this is acting as it's like bouncing a ball. The support below. Let's change this resistance to blue color so that you can easily spot the difference. Blue color, save. So this is how it works. So whenever market comes down to this red line, which is acting as support, you buy. Then whenever it goes up to this blue line, note that these are not just lines, but these are zones. Whenever it comes to this blue zone, you look for a candlestick pattern that indicates a sell entry and you sell. So that's how to use resistance and support. So if you want to open a real trading account, just click on the link in the description. Note that resistance and support, these are not just lines, but these are zones, turning points. Support is below, resistance is above.